What's up, YouTube, man? I'm back with another video. Let me take y'all go see the Nova, man. Just go open, man. Look. Okay, y'all, ain't much light in here. Okay, y'all. School starts Monday. Here go the old pedal. I'm gonna modify that pedal at school, y'all. Let me go get the matter of fact, I think I got the pedal in here inside the car. My bad, girl. Let me give y'all some light. So I had this pedal look up in here. Drive-by-wire pedal. I gotta do some modifications. Once I get all this stuff situated, I'm gonna finish wiring this thing up. But this is the LS wiring. I got all this stuff ran through here. So I got a grommet hole right there. Got it all ran up behind there. So I'm gonna connect all the ignition wire and all that shit. Here's a drive-by-wire cable. You know what? I think I'm gonna keep the no, that's the old ODB, whatever they call it. Hold on, let me get to, here's the drive-by-wire cable right there. Right here, if y'all can see that. Right here. So let me see how I can mount this thing. I think I'm trying to put y'all in here so I can see. I need to shorten it up. I got a oh shit. I got a way I can shorten this thing up and modify it so it'll fit in here. I got some instructions on how to do that. So that's the next thing I'm gonna do in between school hours. I'm gonna cut that thing and modify it. Yeah. Yeah. But anyway, I got the LS wiring through. I got the extra transmission line, speedo, the ISS sensor, input speed sensor. I got that ran for the 4L80. I even got some fittings for the 4L82. This is the coolant line fittings. So I'm gonna start getting the coolant line fittings and all that stuff. Let me put this up before I lose it. But I'm gonna take this and use this as a reference to cut that that drive-by-wire cable. I mean, not cable, but accelerator. Pedal. Let me show y'all the motor. Show y'all what I did so far to that. Here go my I think I'm gonna have this inside the car, man. I think I'm gonna mount it somewhere inside the car, because I don't want to put another hole through my the way they got that standalone harness wired up, like this is supposed to be inside the car along with the computer. So I'm gonna mount this inside the car. I don't know exactly where. Somewhere probably close to the PCM unit. Oh, and I pick up my my computer on Tuesday. Speed Inc. told me I can pick it up on Tuesday, so I'll be taking y'all along with me for that. All right, got the intake on, y'all. I just hadn't torqued it down yet, but I ran all my LS wiring. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, man. Let me try to get y'all some better light. Hold on, y'all. Hey, y'all, I ran my LS wiring. I ran my LS standalone wiring harness. This is for the mass airflow sensor. And I need a new map sensor. It's underneath here. But I ran all my wiring. It looks pretty good. Plugged all my injectors up. Plugged the alternator up. Got the temperature sensor up. Plugged up. I need to get some plugs for this. This is damn. O2 sensor right there. I gotta figure that all out. Maybe I can delete one of those O2 sensors. I know I got one on this side too. But yeah, I ran all of this. Okay, that goes back there. That's the mass air pressure map sensor. I got all this stuff ran down to the I got the camshaft sensor plugged up. I got the crankshaft sensor plugged up, and I got it plugged. I got it wired up to the starter, and I got the EGR. I got that plugged up, and I also got. Dang, I need this to focus. I got that plugged up as well. So all that stuff tightened up. I just hadn't torqued this down yet. So I hadn't torqued it down yet. So we are making progress, man. I'm making progress. I'm proud of myself. And I'm so happy. Once I get this trans put in here, I'll be even more happy. And I feel safe that I can drive my car a longer distance without it breaking down. You know what I'm saying? Get to the car shows, and actually show my work. So I'll be happy for that. Let me show y'all what it looked like with the cover on it. Let me see. Try to put this cover on here. All right, I just got to clean that up. That's how it look. I'm gonna get something to plug this up right here too, cause I ain't got no booster. But anyway, that's the LS raw. Oh, I gotta tighten this up. Got to tighten that back up. So I just got to do another overlook of the motor. Yeah. I ain't gonna try starting it yet. I'm gonna get the 4L80 installed sometime next week. And got all kind of braided loom for underneath the dash. I'm gonna tighten that all the way up. Got electronic class coming this Monday. Steering and suspension and brakes. So once I'm done with this motor and the trans, I'll be going to my suspension and brakes, upgrading that. But if y'all here for the first time, I appreciate it if y'all subscribe and like and share the video. And we got another part I got. That's the mass airflow sensor. I think that's what they call it. Anyway, it's the sensor. Put this on here. Put it on there. We go inside it or what? We're gonna have to figure that out because that thing is. I don't want it to be too close to this fan. After we get it to turn, we can have it. Ooh, yeah, we can have it turned up like that. Get that out the way of that fan. I think that'll work. Have a little curve. come out this way, away from that fan. That's a good idea. Okay, y'all, yeah, we making progress. These are the headlights. So, I got a project on my hands. All right, y'all, I'm out, man. Peace.
Few inches later.
Hold on, man. I can't go nowhere without showing y'all where I can mount this thing at. Yeah, I'm gonna mount this inside the car. I'm gonna explain why I'm gonna mount this inside the car. Hold on. Okay, y'all. Like I said, this is the cable for the drive-by-wire that plugs into this box, this tack module. Now, I'm thinking about just mounting this up somewhere, up underneath the dash somewhere, because I don't want to have to put another hole in my car, and I can just plug this right up underneath the dash with the pedal. Might just plug it up on the driver's side over there, somewhere over there. So I'm gonna keep all the computers gonna be inside the car. Yep. So I'm gonna make this all neat, man. I'm gonna take my time and make it all neat. I ain't gonna rush. I'm gonna just take my time and route these wires and make it real neat, man. All right, y'all, I'm gone. I'll see y'all next video.
Ace Banks on the track.